Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy cars in the CSR2 game. So let's get started right away. If you have already installed the CSR2 game on your device, then go ahead and open it up. Once you have completed the tutorial, then you will be taken into the home screen after the game is fully loaded. Just wait for a while and when you're on the home screen, you will be shown the car that you own. Now if you have completed the tutorial, then you will gain some coins which you can use to buy your first car. If you have already purchased your car, then you will be able to see it in the main menu. Now if you want to buy another car, if you have enough currency within the game, then simply tap on the buy cars menu at the bottom left corner. Then just go ahead and select the category of car that you want to buy. After selecting the car that you're interested in, you will also find the buy section at the right side. You can either select the cash within the game or the coins that you can earn with each victory. So simply tap on either one of these options and you will successfully purchase your car. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy cars in CSR2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.